they determined that each of the Menendez brothers constituted moderate risks of violence, which was higher than the prior determinations of low risks of violence. They said they referred to certain instances that led them to those conclusions, including the fact that, for instance, for Erik Menendez, while the resentencing hearing was actually a possibility, the motion had been filed in October of 2024, but in January of 2025, he brought in a legal cell phone into the prison setting, enlisting another prisoner and someone outside to do that for him. He was caught violating the rules. And the psychologist looked at that and they said, if someone is willing to risk engaging in a rule violation while they're actually involved in a resentencing, what does that say about their risk of conforming to the standards of the law if they were released outside of this structured environment? And they determined that they posed a moderate risk of violence as opposed to the low risk which had been assessed before. With Lyle Menendez, they also looked at a variety of rule violations in which he had engaged in, reaching the same conclusion, that he no longer posed a low risk of violence in the future, but posed a moderate risk. So we used this new information to renew our motion. And we said to the judge that this new information effectively meets the legal standard to allow a district attorney to withdraw a motion that had previously been filed, because it shows that a change of circumstances where the prisoner is less deserving of resentencing. That is the standard. A change of circumstances where a prisoner is less deserving of resentencing. And we made that argument to the judge, and ultimately we said that the issue with the Menendez brothers is not never, that they should never qualify for resentencing. We said it was not yet. That in light of the findings of senior psychologists for the Board of Parole, in light of the prior arguments that we had made, that the Menendez brothers had never come clean for over 30 years, with the fact that they're self-defense where they said that their parents were going to shoot them each, the mother and the father, the night of August 20th, 1989, so they had to shoot them first. The lies where they tried to enlist one of Lyle Menendez's girlfriends to say that Jose Menendez was a violent rapist, a complete lie she did not say. The fact that they enlisted another girlfriend to go ahead and lie and say that the mother was going to try to poison the entire family. These are the significant lies that the Menendez brothers have never come clean with over the last 30 years.